performance here, S580 blue. Oops. Beautiful. Oh.
I almost did, but it kind of shortens the car with it backed up so much. Isn't it gorgeous?
Is the key? Oh, there's the key.
Yeah, you don't have to hold it. You just like, you just tap them or...
Oh my God.
Yeah. This is gorgeous, okay? This is
It also has more color.
Yes. It's
the color right
beautiful.
there.
It's beautiful.
They
Well, it's
upped
got
it.
the same, you know, ambient lighting that the other one has.
Okay, he's gonna go crazy. He loves this one. He's gonna get this one.
This steering wheel and this.
Oh, what's that? Is that a 3D? Oh, it's a heads up. Wait, what?
Yep, it's heads up.
A heads
you
up
can turn
display?
You can turn it off if you want.
No, I like it. I just need to know how to control it.
He probably will like it because it's
I'll like it. It's so cool. It's like 3D.
keeps your eyes, you know, straight forward.
Oh wow.
People get used to it, and then they.
Oh, I love heads up display. I can't really have a car without a heads up display in my opinion, like personally. Oh wow.
This one is both of these fresh off the boat. In fact, I had to find this car because we hadn't even put it in our inventory yet.
Oh wow.
To get it ready.
Oh my God. Yeah, unfortunately he had a meeting come up with his boss and his team, so I was like, otherwise he would have came out today. I think he'll do a deal with you guys and we can have him deliver.
We can deliver them both, or deliver your other car and you can take your new car home.
Smart. Let's do that.
You know what I mean? I can deliver your other one with this one.
Yeah, I think we'll do that one. We will do that. Oh my gosh. And this one is the 4-liter V8, right? Yeah, it has. This is the V8.
Yeah, this is the V8.
It's so quiet.
He's gonna love it. This has special windows.
Okay.
You know, quiet.
Oh wow.
Special glass. More expensive than the other one. In fact, I think it's a little less.
What do you guys have it at? I think he wanted the sticker, right? I think he asked.
Yeah,
me for
I
that.
sent him a copy of the sticker. It's got everything. It's got everything.
It's fully loaded S580.
Yeah, it's fully loaded.
So this is the trim below the Maybach, correct? The S600 Maybach. I think it would be. What's above this?
These are Maybach seats. I mean,
It looks very similar.
This is what
to
the
them.
Maybach seat looks like.
That's very similar to the Maybach.
Yeah,
It has the pillows. Oh wow.
I like it better. I think I'm not crazy about Maybach. Well, first of all, it's kind of unpractical because
Yeah.
the back seat, you know, you can't put more than 2 people.
Right.
In the Maybach.
Sure.
In the back, you
Uh-huh.
know? It's like you can add to. You can probably put 4 people back there. You know?
Yeah, you don't really need an SUV for this.
There's so much room.
It's so comfortable.
Oh, and these pillows.
Yes, the pillows are so comfortable. It's got like a 3D gauge cluster. It's not like
Now
a full
that-
screen. It's like 3D.
Here
That's so
again, you know, you can, you know.
cool. Oh my
can
God, it's
decide,
3D.
Yeah,
That is so cool. It's 3D.
He can decide what, you
I like the
know, what he
navigation
wants
one.
up here. He might like classic. I don't know, you know, but.
It's 3D. The gauge cluster is 3D. It's coming out. That's so cool. I don't know if many people know that. Oh.
Yeah, I see that. I see what you're saying. Yeah.
Oh my God. That gauge cluster is 3D. That's what that is. Wow. That's so cool.
This is a super duper. I love this car. This is the car I would like.
Over the AMG GT?
Well, only because, you know, I'm a little older, obviously.
Oh, it's like more like a
I'm more like your dad's
calmer.
age.
Yeah.
I could even be more old than your dad.
My dad was born in 1967.
Yeah, Yep, I'm older than your dad. I hate to say it, but yeah.
But it's...
I'm older than everybody
so
now. It's just
nice.
weird. I used to be younger than everybody. Now I'm older than everybody. It's like,
Really?
But you know what?
Like,
It's cool. I
fly
love
by?
getting older. I don't worry about it. I got the stamina of a 30-year-old, so it doesn't
That's
matter.
good. The energy.
Yeah.
That's
Oh,
good.
yeah.
That's good.
I walk circles around all those people in there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Have you been exercising for a long time?
Well, I've always been active,
That's good.
and I just don't sit around ever.
That's good. That's
I'm
really
always
good.
moving, always shaking, always doing
Yep.
something.
Love it.
because-
Love it. That's how it's gotta be.
And that's the kind of energy I have, thank the good Lord, because
Well, it pays you well in the long run.
yes, and yeah, it keeps me moving, and I eat well.
That's good.
Yeah, I eat very simple. But,
Probably not a lot of fast food outside.
Oh no, no, every now and then I
Yeah,
might
sometimes.
get a
Yeah.
Wendy's or
Yeah.
like I don't eat burger or anything like that. I'm very little meat, but I do.
Oh, look
eat
at that
meat.
green Lamborghini. I bet you that Mercedes AMG GT is faster than that Lambo.
I bet it is.
Huracan.
You'll have to get. You can go. There's a place to race that thing around here.
That GT?
Yeah. Oh, too bad we weren't in it. Well, but
Wrong car.
we couldn't.
No.
We couldn't anyway because.
Yeah, we don't want to damage
Yeah,
the
but
vehicle.
we'll see you in about
a couple months. A couple miles.
We'll be seeing you, you little green
Green
booger.
goblin, yeah.
Yeah, you
Oh
little
man.
booger. Yeah.
No, that AMG GT would eat it alive
yeah.
for breakfast. I could just tell.
Well, there's a track around here somewhere.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, that's
So,
interesting.
You could actually, go and.
Imagine I pull up next to him. Hey, let's go take it to the track, and then put it in race mode. That's what that's for. While you have such an ambiance, like the ambient lighting and stuff.
It'd be fun. It would take you away from your studies, and when you're bored and done studying, you
Yeah.
go have a little fun with your car.
Yes. Best of both worlds. Best of both worlds. Yes, it's very nice. I mean, my wife wants me to get this one because it's obviously bigger and longer,
Right.
and has more room for like when we have a child. You can easily put a car seat in the back,
Yeah.
maybe in the back easily. The other one is a 2-seater, so
Well, it's,
I'm gonna pop it right here, correct?
Yep.
Okay.
It's she needs to get her car.
She wants to get a E-Class.
Yes.
She wants to get an E-Class.
Yes. And she might want an SUV or whatever, but or a coupe. We have a lot of beautiful coupes. I mean,
Yeah.
really nice. What does she do? Is
She's in school to become a dentist.
She's in what?
School to become a dentist.
Oh wow.
Yeah, right now she's a hygienist.
You two are doing well. You're gonna do well.
Well, we like the finer things in life, and we know that we have to work hard, and we have
Yes, you
to earn our things, I guess you can say.
Yep.
And nothing is handed to you in life. And that's what my father always has taught me, is that
That's right.
if you want nice things, you gotta work hard. And it's a very cliche statement, work hard, but
No, it's true.
it's more so of knowing where you're headed in life and knowing where you are in life.
Yes. Your goals.
You know.
You have to. I was pre-med in school.
Oh, pre-med,
and I
okay.
Finished.
Okay.
So I have a chemistry degree and all that.
Okay.
But I was married at the time, and my husband wasn't doing very good financially, so I had to go to work.
Oh,
And
okay.
it got me out of school, and I finished my degree, but I didn't go to med school.
It's very difficult to work and go to school. It's extremely difficult.
I did it in undergrad, but it would have been difficult in physician school. That would be very med school.
Go
Yeah.
right here. Right here.
Otherwise known as med school.
I keep going straight.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, no, it's very difficult to work and then go to school. It's very draining on your body and just draining on your mental. It's just, and then like being able to pass your exams and stuff.
Yeah.
Very
I did
difficult.
all right, when working and paying off my college
Yeah.
The first 4 years.
I can't believe the gauge cluster is 3D. That's insane.
Yeah,
He didn't even know that.
I didn't notice that.
I don't even think the one that he had, Orange Park gave him, didn't have the heads-up display, didn't have this, and didn't have the 3D.
Exactly. This one has something known as a 3D technology package.
Yes.
Okay, so yes, it's a 3D instrument cluster in the heads-up. Yeah, I am so happy that we had this. When I found this car, I'm like, you're kidding me.
Yeah, you gave me a call right when you found it.
I was gonna leave it as a surprise. I was getting it ready, and I'm like, I just want to surprise him with this thing.
Yeah, that would be
like,
so cool.
Yeah, and but then I was too excited to tell you that we had it. And this is better than the one in Miami.
Yes, it is. The other one in Miami looks kind of bland and boring.
Yes,
this one has more bells and whistles that he can enjoy, for sure.
Yes.
This one reminds me more of a Maybach, which I like.
This one really is.
The lighting is crazy. It's like going. Oh, it probably looks so nice at night.
It's in back. Oh, it's so cool. And there's different intensity. I mean, you can. Of course, he has the massage. He's got a hot, relaxing back.
Oh, look at the hot, relaxing massage.
Yeah. Oh, hot, relaxing shoulders. We didn't see this on. I'm sure yours does more than just the. But this one might do more as far as.
Yeah.
Oh, look, deep workout.
That's so cool.
Yeah. He doesn't even need to go to a masseuse.
I drove that one yesterday too. At Orange Park, the 4-door one.
Oh yeah.
I didn't really like how that one looked inside. I preferred the coupe all day, every day.
This is so sweet of a ride.
Oh my gosh.
Don't you love it?
So much. So much so that it's kind of swaying my... That's the S-Class too? Matte black?
Yeah.
That's the one I would get.
Yeah.
But awesome. I'm sure he's going to be so excited to see it. He's going to be so excited.
I like the pearl, this pearl wood.
Me too. It's such a pretty interior.
So gorgeous.
Best interior in the market.
Yeah.
For sure.
And I love. Oh my God. It's just crazy.
There's a spa in here.
It's beautiful. It's like a
very nice interior.